I'm a Casper Eloff. I work for a company called the Mosaic Company. We produce fertilizers and we distribute across the world. I am the global security lead or head of global security for them. I cover all the global sites that we have. That's from Canada, USA to Latin America, Saudi Arabia, Middle East. Like most mining companies, they are put together through legacy sites being integrated, acquisitions, mergers, and so on. So you have a lot of technology that's not, there's no unification in technology. So you end up having a whole arsenal of systems doing the same thing, or other features, so it's difficult to manage that. If you want to, for example, use the same one product across your entire organization, it gets very expensive and pricey to do a single deployment from legacy technology that you have to change that over to one. So we were looking for something that can fit the need so that we don't need to change out all these technologies, because that is going to be extremely expensive. So we were looking for something that could bring this together for us and help us manage this better, or take control of your technology that you have. We have a lot of contractors that work on our sites. Never in our history, because of the way mining is done, could we 100% tell you who's on site. Does all those people have the right training? That was one of the key business areas that we can simplify and automate the way we monitor, control training. Business-wise, return on investment-wise, we looked at, we have thousands of contractors working for us across the world. In North America alone, it is just a known fact that companies come and work on your site. They might spend 2 or 3 hours there, but they bill you for the day. It just simplifies it for them, and there's no way for us to verify every single invoice every time. It's extremely difficult. You'll need a team of people to just do that. So with the physical identity management system, we can actually tie security access records to a contractor's time spent on site, and we can do that in an automated way that will simplify the way you can check how long have this contractor spent on this site, how long have they spent on that site, were they actually working, and then at the end of the day you can compare the hours that's been billed. And so far we've identified, just in North America, an estimate of between 70 to 90 million US dollars that we can save in money not spent because of overbilling. These solutions, I call it like the 300 effect. The story of 300, where the 300 Greeks were fighting against the Ottoman Empire that came in and they held off so many soldiers. They funneled people into a closed environment. So this is like a force multiplier. So if you use a tool like AlertEnterprise, it acts like a force multiplier. It brings all your technologies together in one place. So to think outside the box when you work with your company's IT department, it's really important, because in most companies, most mining companies, oil and gas companies, the IT departments own these systems. It's important when you see the need for a project like this, discuss it properly with your company's IT groups, because they don't necessarily look at security in a company, a mining industry or oil and gas industry, because they have other priorities. So whenever you see this need, make the bold step, put the case together, discuss it properly with the IT group, how this will be resourced, how the benefits will be bring to the company, and it actual fact make their life simpler. And then take that whole case to your C-suite, explain it, and get your capital and do it. It will be a game changer for all the companies out there.